Hi viewers, welcome to Gani YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you how to create this type of base plate 1053 in Tekla Structures. Okay, let's start. Open your Tekla Structures with US environment, and to create the column, click on steel and select this column and pick position to create the column. By default, we have the I profile, but we require L profile, so double click on this column. To change the profile, then click on here, minimize this I profile, and we require the L profile, so click on here and let's take L, click on here and let's take here, click on here, L 4x4 by half inch, then click on apply, OK, then click on modify to see the result. You can see now we have the L profile like this. Now we're going to change the height of this column, so top level let's take 10 feet and bottom level let's take 0, then click on modify to see the result. You can see now we have 10 feet length of this column, and we're going to change the position of this column also. You can see currently we have this end point at the middle of this L profile, so we're going to change this profile, so click on here, let's take up, then click on modify to see the result. You can see like this. Similarly, we're going to change in this direction also, then click on here, let's take left, then click on modify. You can see like this. Now we have this end point exactly at the corner of this L profile. You can see like this. Okay, then close this window, right click on mouse interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse review. Now this L profile edge exactly at the gradient section point, you can see like this. Okay, now we're going to create the base plate at the bottom of this L angle. So click on application and components, and in search bar type 1053. You can see now we have this base plate 1053 component, then click on this component and pick the angle, then pick position at here gradient section point to create the base plate. Okay, like this, and close this window, right click on mouse interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse review. You can see you will get like this. By default the base plate will be generated like this. Okay, now we're going to edit this base plate. Before, we're going to go to the top view, so use the shortcut Control P to get the top view like this. This is the L angle and this is the base plate. Now double click on this base plate to edit this base plate. Okay, now we're going to adjust this spacing from L angle edge to this base plate spacing. By default we're going to take 1 inch here. Now click on modify to see the result. You can see now this spacing should be 1 inch from L angle edge to base edge of the base plate. Okay, now we're going to see the base plate length and width. We're going to adjust this length and width of this base plate. So you can see from reference point, this is the reference point, from this reference point to edge of this base plate. Now we're going to take 5 inch, and from this side also we're going to take 5 inch, then click on modify to see the result. You see now total base plate width and length should be 6 inches. 1 inch plus 5 inch, it should be 6 inches in this side and in this side. Okay, now we're going to adjust this bolt spacing from this reference point. You can see from reference point to first bolt distance we're going to take here 1.5 inch, and here also let's take 1.5 inch, then select this base plate, then click on modify to see the result like this. Okay, now I'm going to take here 2 inches instead of 1.5, click on modify like this. Okay, now click on this parts tab. Now to get the 3D view, click on this space and use the shortcut Control P to get back 3D view like this. Okay, now we're going to change the base plate thickness. So let's take here the base plate thickness of inch. Now select this base plate, then click on modify to see the result. You can see now base plate thickness should be half inch. Click on space, right click on mouse to view. Now click on this bolts tab. Now to get the top view, use the shortcut Control P and zoom it at exactly the base plate. Now we're going to change the bolt size, so select this base plate, then click on here, let's take 5 by 8, then click on modify to see the result. You can see now bolt size should be 5 by 8 inch. To increase the number of bolts, you need to enter here number of bolts 2, and the spacing we're going to take 2 inches, then click on modify to see the result. You'll get the 2 bolts. If you want to create the 2 more bolts at this location, then enter here 2 with the spacing 2 inches, then select the bolt and click on modify to see the result like this. But currently we record only one side, so just remove these values, then click on modify to see the result like this. Okay, click on modify, apply. Okay, to get the 3D view, use the shortcut Control P and zoom it. You can see like this. Okay, that's it about how to create base plate 1053 in Tekla Structures. If you have any doubts, please comment below. If you like this video, please like it and share it. For more Tekla Structure related tutorials, please go to my channel youtube.com/ganisk. I will provide this link in the description below of this video. Please go through it and come here. Under videos, you can find out so many Tekla Structure related videos, tutorials. I hope these tutorials might be helpful to you. And at the top right corner, please click on subscribe button. If you subscribe, you will get notification or updates when I upload a new video. So please click on subscribe. Okay, thank you.